How to hide Safari search bar on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the search bar at the bottom. Then, go to apple.com. Over here, tap on the icon at the bottom left corner beside the search bar. And then, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Go to the Page Actions section at the top and tap on Hide Toolbar. As you can see, this hides the toolbar and you can now view the page in full screen. Following these steps, you can easily hide Safari search bar on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.